In this example, we have to simplify the expression 15x squared minus 20x over 10x. Now, generally, what teachers tell you is that if you have a fraction and there is either addition or subtraction on either the top or the bottom of the fraction, then don't try to cancel. But in fact, we can do so, and we need to do so a lot of the time, if we can factor the bit that involves the addition and subtraction. So let's look at this and see if we can do it. So we have 15x squared minus 20x over 10x. So check the part that involves the addition or subtraction. In this case, that's the top line. And see, is there some way to factor the top? Now, we know lots of different types of factoring. We know removing the greatest common factor. We know how to factor simple trinomials and difficult trinomials. We know how to factor by grouping. We know the difference of two squares. So there are lots of different ways. And the way that you normally start is seeing if you can remove the GCF, the greatest common factor. So if you do that on the top line, the 15 and the 20, 5 can divide evenly into both the 15 and the 20, so we can take out 5. And there's an x in both parts, so we can take out the x as well. So we've taken out 5x out of this. So what we're going to do, we're going to divide both of these mentally in our heads, both the 15x squared and the negative 20x by 5x. So 15x squared divided by 5x. 15 divided by 5 would be 3, so write that down. This is going to be inside parentheses. X squared divided by x, we had 2, now we took 1 out, so we still have 1 here. And then we have a minus, and then we have 20x divided by 5x. So if you do that again mentally, 20x divided by 5x, 20 divided by 5 is 4, and x divided by x, they cancel out. So we have 3x minus 4. Now on the bottom line, ask yourself, can you remove the same factor? So you had 10x, and can you take 5x out of that? Well, you can, because 5x times 2 would give you the 10x, okay? And now, the 5x on top and the 5x on the bottom, they're not actually involved in the addition and subtraction. The 5x on top isn't involved in the subtraction. We've removed it outside, so that means it's available for cancelling. So we can cancel the 5x on top, the 5x on the bottom, and we're left with 3x minus 4 divided by 2. Now, just a note on this. You might think that you can use the 2 and the 4 in cancelling as well, but you can't, because the 4 is part of the subtraction and it can't be factored out. There's no way to factor the 4 out of this expression on top, so you have to leave your final answer like this. Don't try to cancel the 4 and the 2, because the 4 is tied up in the subtraction and we have no way of getting it out. Okay, so that's it.